Hi everyone, so today's video is on lesson 2.4, quadratic functions, which are going to be solved through the quadratic formula. As you saw in our last video, we solved the quadratic functions and found its zeros through factoring methods. However, today we will be doing it through a different methodology known as the quadratic formula. That formula is negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we will be doing this. We will be modeling this formula through two different examples.
For example A, we're going to be plugging in the a, b, and c variables into the formula. So the first step is the negative b variable, which would be negative 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 7 squared, minus 4 times the a variable, which is 4, times the c variable, which is negative 2. And that entire equation is over 2 times the a variable, which is 4. We're going to solve the equation underneath the square root. So that equation would be 49 plus 32. Then we're going to solve 2 times 4, which is 8.
So if we simplify that further, we get negative 7 plus or minus, and we have to do the addition under the square root, which would be 81 over 8. And we know the square root of 81 is 9. So negative 7 plus 9 is 2, and over 8 equals 1/4. Negative 7 minus 9, as we know, is negative 16, and over 8 is negative 2. So our two solutions for this quadratic function is 1/4 and negative 2.
For example B, we are again going to use the a, b, and c variables as we plug them into the quadratic formula. For the first step, we're going to take the b variable, which is negative 7, plus or minus the square root of, again, the b variable, which is negative 7, minus 4 times the a variable, which is 2, the c variable, which is negative 15. That entire equation is over 2 times the a variable, which is 2. We are then going to solve the equation underneath the square root, which is 49 plus 120. The entire equation is going to be over 2 times 2, which is 4.
Further simplify it by doing the addition under the square root. So 7 plus or minus radical 49 plus 120 is 169 over 4. We know that the square root of 169 is 13. 7 plus 13 is 20, and over 4 is 5. We also know that 7 minus 13 is negative 6, and over 4 is negative 3/2. So these are our two solutions for this quadratic equation, 2x squared minus 7x minus 15.
We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any comments or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below.